Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, let's talk about how to manage data sharing permissions in Cleo. Controlling what information Cleo can access is essential for maintaining your privacy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get this done. Step 1. Open Cleo and navigate to Settings. You'll find it by tapping your profile picture. Next, just tap Permissions or Data Sharing. It might be listed under Privacy or Security section. Next, you're going to review current permission, so you can see which type of data Cleo currently accesses, your bank information, transaction details, spending patterns, etc. You can see all of that there. And next you're going to do is to toggle off permissions that you don't want to share. So simply slide the switches to turn off for anything you wish to restrict. Next, just save your settings, so make sure you confirm or save the changes before exiting, just to make sure that those changes actually follow through. Managing your data permission ensures that you stay in full control over your personal information every step of the way. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.